A glowing environment can instantly turn an ordinary photo bash scene into something that feels magical and cinematic. Today, how to create photo bash glowing environments. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new canvas around 3600 by 2000 pixels so the scene has enough space for a cinematic layout. Import your base environment, such as a forest, futuristic city, or fantasy valley, and stretch it across the canvas using Free Transform. Now, drag in elements that could naturally emit light, like crystals, neon structures, magical plants, or glowing windows, and place them throughout the composition on separate